Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to pay your American Express bill online. If you're a cardholder looking to skip the hassle of mailing checks or visiting a bank, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. It's quick, secure, and can be done from the comfort of your home. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to head over to the American Express website. Open your preferred web browser and type in americanexpress.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button. It's usually right at the top. Enter your username and password. If you don't have an account set up yet, click on the Register option and follow the prompts to create one. This only takes a minute or two. After logging in, you'll land on your account dashboard. Here, navigate to the Payments or Bills section. It's often highlighted for easy access. Click on that, and you'll see options to view your current balance and due date. Next, select Make a Payment. You'll be asked to choose your payment method, like linking your bank account or using another credit card. Make sure to double-check that everything is accurate to avoid any fees. Now, enter the amount you want to pay. You can choose to pay the full balance or just the minimum, whatever fits your budget. Set the payment date if you want it scheduled for later, then review all the details carefully. Hit Confirm to process the payment. You'll get an on-screen confirmation, and American Express will usually send an email receipt to your registered address. A quick tip: always ensure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the payment, and keep an eye out for any promotional offers that might waive fees for online payments. That's it, you're all done. Paying online is not only convenient but also helps you stay on top of your finances. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.